Reality feels stable. But stability is an illusion. Every day, we interpret the world through memory, perception, belief, and information. But what if those foundations are more fragile than they seem? On this channel, we explore how perception shapes reality, how narratives influence society, how technology transforms truth, how identity is constructed, from psychology to artificial intelligence, from media systems to the limits of human cognition. This is not about panic, it's about understanding. If you want to think deeper, question smarter, and see beyond the surface. Welcome to Impossible Realities. New videos every week exploring perception, artificial intelligence, manipulation and modern reality. Subscribe and see differently.